Want to check if your computer has an HDD, SSD, or NVMe drive without opening your laptop or PC? Let's do it in less than 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to check your storage type in Windows 11 or Windows 10. First, right-click on the taskbar and click Task Manager. You can also open Task Manager quickly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Performance icon on the left side. Now click on Disk. Here you can see the storage type. In my case, it is showing SSD. This means my computer is using a solid-state drive, which is much faster than a traditional hard disk drive. Now let me show you how an HDD usually appears in the same location. As you can see, if your system has a hard disk drive, Windows may show the disk type as HDD. But what about NVMe? NVMe is also a type of SSD, but it uses a faster protocol and usually comes in a small M2 form factor. In some systems, Windows may show NVMe directly, while in others it may show SSD with NVMe written inside brackets. Here's an example of how NVMe can appear in Task Manager. Now let me show you a simple comparison image of HDD, SSD, and NVMe, including their protocol, speed, form factor, and best usage. And here it is. So now you know how to check your storage type in Windows without opening your laptop or computer. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.